Bawumia ebe lead MPP. It will be a tough race.
Tough race, as in.
Because, you see, the party ni ya DBA, Nanyanse BNU. Yes, Nanyanse BNU. And they did it for so long, it's not even funny. The time the party come unnecessarily. These are some petty mistakes they could have just let it go. Look, Omu Yusu Bawumia as a shield for Akufo-Addo. When you knew some of the Bawumia beko election, you told 2020 about we next time retreat Bawumia, they should have taken Bawumia out of the public scene. Meanwhile, NDC focus and Bawumia be responded. No more damage Bawumia, image damage Bawumia. Instead of Akufo-Addo now encore election, it's 2020 about you 2 years and I say no mujai Bawumia. Oh, you can't be Bawumia will come and respond. Bawumia will come and respond. And then this if one should make it cogent, he said Jomba worship Bawumia with Ntrona, Bawolaya, and you see
who are Google say who is there? Dear
Bawumia.
We don't know how. I don't know whether it's still there though.
NDC has done a damage to the brand Bawumia. But I believe still, when you put Bawumia and John Mahama head to head, Bawumia will be John Mahama.
Really?
Yes. I'm mature the India. When they have the Ashanti votes, not for the Oneba, the presence of Bawumia in the north has been a blessing to the MPP. Trust me on that. So now, if MPP is able to say, Ombeki ka omunkro foneshe, ewo eye asantememu, no maka omoshe ewo Eastern region. Bawumia the north kakra be kan weno. Yes.
And Bawumia can beat John Mahama.
Oh, Bawumia ne John Mahama bet me a press north need cry.
Oh, as in winning the election.
So yes. Oh, really?
Oh,
People don't take Mahama serious like that. Too.